Yeah, okay, so the last problem was correct. Sorry, I'm picking back up. I did problem number, I think 7 correctly. Just had a little bit of a brain fog there for a second. I was thinking, so I took kind of an awkward pause. Okay, so I'll share my screen here again. So this was all good. It was, again, I converted it. I made that. But I do 177 and 44 base 7, I said was 32. So the difference is 145, of course, base 10. And if I want to write that base 7, that is 265 base 7, because that's 2 times 49 plus 6 times 7 plus 5. If you work that out, that's what, 98 plus 42. So that gives me the 140 plus 5 does give me 145. Okay. So either you convert it to base 10, do the subtraction, and then convert back, or you can use this trick where you say, okay, 12 base 7 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. And then you do 33 base 7 is 24, 24 minus 4 is 20. And so then what is 20 base 7? That's 26. That's done. Okay. So hopefully that is clear. Moving on to question 8. We'll do a little multiplication. So this is 4.38. Asks us to do 34 base 6 times 5 base 6. Okay. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then what is 20 base 6? Okay, well, 20 base 6, again, 5 times 4 is 20. And if I want to convert that to base 6, I'm going to do 3 times 6 plus 2. So that's 32 base 6. Okay, that means I put a 2 there and I carry the 3. And now I do 5 times 3 is 150. 5 times 3 is 15 plus the 3 up there. Okay, so 5 times 3 plus 3 is 18. What is 18? 18 is 30 base 6. Right, 3 times 6 plus 0 times 1. Okay, so the final answer is 302 base 6. Okay. 9 asks us to do 444 base 7 times 3 base 7. All right, so how's that work? 3 times 4 is 12. 12 base 7 is 15. I'm gonna put 1, I'm gonna put 5 there, I'm gonna carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 13, when I write it in terms of 7, is 1 times 7 plus 6. So that's 16 base 7. So I get a 6 and I carry the 1. And again, 3 times 4 plus 1 is 13. 13 is 16 base 7. So the final answer should be 1665 base 7. Okay, I guess I'll do the first 10 here. So 10 says you want to do 1010 base 2. And you want to multiply it by 110 base 2. And okay, so then what I want to do is 0 times everything is 0. And then I'm going to do 1 times 1010. And then I'm going to skip 2 spots and I'm going to do 1 times 1010. Now I add down. So this is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so the final answer is 111,100 base 2. Okay, 11 asks us do division, which I think long division is the hardest part of arithmetic. So let's see here, 2 goes into 2, but this is the same way as in regular arithmetic, right? So 2 goes into 2 one time. And then when you subtract, you get 32. And so then the question is, how many times does 2 go into 32 base 4? Okay, well, 2 goes into 3 one time with a remainder of 1. And so I have now 2 subtract, I get 12. Okay, so what's 12 base 4? 2 goes, that's 12 base 4 is just 4 plus 2 is 6. And so we get a 3 there. Hopefully that makes sense, right? 12 base 4 is 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So yeah. Okay. So the final answer here is 113 base 4. That's 2 divided by 232. The other way you can do this is convert 232 into a number base 10 and take 2 divided by that, or that number divided by 2, and then convert back to base 4 when you're all done. Okay. Let's add one more page here. I have about 3 more minutes before I have to head to my next class. So I'll do this one more problem. So 22 base 7 divided by 1405 base 7. Okay, so this one I'm actually going to convert. So I'm going to convert to base 10. Okay, so 22 base 7 is 2 times 7 plus 2, so that's 16. Okay. How many times does 16 go into what is 1405 base 7? Well, that would be 5 plus 0 times 7 plus 4 times 7 squared, or 49, plus 1 times 7 cubed. And I can't do that math in my head, so I'm going to ask a calculator what that number is. So 1 times 7 cubed is 343. 4 times 49 is, let's do it. 4 times 49 plus 0 times 7 plus 5. Okay, 544. So I got all together. Okay. So we're asking how many times does 16 go into 544? 16, 544 divided by 16 is 34. Okay. So the answer is 34. Now I need to convert that to base 7. So 34 in terms of base 7 would be 4 times 7 is 28 plus a remainder of 6. So that is 46 base 7. And that is what I got there. Okay. Sorry, I can't do any more. I have to run to my graduate class at 6 o'clock. Have a good night, and hopefully this helped.